Thinking about moving your crypto from Coinbase to Uphold? You're not alone. Many of you have asked if it's even possible to transfer your digital assets between these two popular platforms. And if so, how exactly do you go about it? Well, you're in the right place because today, we're diving deep into the world of crypto transfers, specifically focusing on moving your holdings from Coinbase to Uphold. Before we get into the how, let's quickly touch on the why. You might be considering this move for a few reasons. Maybe you prefer Uphold's unique anything-to-anything trading model, or perhaps you're interested in some of the specific assets or features Uphold offers that Coinbase doesn't. Whatever your motivation, understanding the transfer process is key. So, can you transfer your Coinbase holdings to Uphold? The short answer is yes, absolutely. It's not a direct, one-click transfer everything button like moving funds between bank accounts, but rather a process of sending your cryptocurrency from your Coinbase wallet to your Uphold wallet. Think of it like sending an email, you're sending from one address to another. The core of this process relies on cryptocurrency network transactions. Each cryptocurrency operates on its own blockchain, and when you send crypto, you're essentially initiating a transaction on that specific blockchain. For example, if you're sending Bitcoin, you are using the Bitcoin network. If you're sending Ethereum, you are using the Ethereum network, and so on. Here's a general rundown of how it works. First, you'll need to go to your Uphold account and locate the deposit address for the specific cryptocurrency you wish to transfer. Uphold provides unique wallet addresses for each supported crypto. It's crucial to select the correct cryptocurrency and copy the exact address. A single, maki, meaning mistake, and the address could result in your funds being lost forever on the blockchain, and trust me, you don't want that. Once you have the Uphold deposit address, you'll then navigate to your Coinbase account. From there, you'll initiate a send or withdraw transaction. You'll paste the Uphold deposit address into the recipient field, specify the amount of crypto you want to send, and then confirm the transaction. Coinbase will typically ask for a two-factor authentication code for security purposes. Keep in mind that network fees, often called gas fees for Ethereum or miner fees for Bitcoin, will apply. These fees are paid to the network validators or miners who process your transaction and are independent of Coinbase or Uphold. The amount of the fee can fluctuate based on network congestion. After you confirm the transfer on Coinbase, the transaction will be broadcast to the blockchain. It will then need to be confirmed by the network, which can take anywhere from a few minutes to several hours, depending on the cryptocurrency and network congestion. Once confirmed, your crypto will appear in your Uphold wallet. It's always a good idea to send a small test amount first, especially for larger transfers, just to ensure everything works smoothly. And there you have it, a clear path to moving your digital assets from Coinbase to Uphold. It's a straightforward process once you understand the underlying mechanics of cryptocurrency transfers. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.